everybody. Today I'm making another video, and today's video is going to be video 19. I hope everybody's enjoying their day today. Today is raining out here. Okay, I want to welcome everybody and thank everybody for all your likes and subscribing to my channel and all your comments. I want to thank you very much for them. I really appreciate them. And all those who are new, I welcome you to DIY Easy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, let us start. Today I have, I'm so glad because today I got my package that I won playing the game. This is the package that I won playing the game. You know, I think it was the fish one, Fishland. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put up there, you know, how did I want it, okay? So I got this free, okay? So, and then I have two little things that I forgot what it was, but they came along that I ordered too. So, you know, so I'm gonna put them all together. All right. I hope everybody's having a great day out there. You know, today over here is raining, so, you know. Okay, I'm going to start with this package first. And if you like anything that I have, you could order, you could download, you could see it. It's kind of hard to see it over here. Okay, here we go, right here. You could always, if you like anything that I bought on my videos, you could always go online to www.temu.com, and there you could check out the website, or you could also download their app, their Temu app on your phone. Okay. All right, now let us start. Okay, I'll save this package last. So I'm going to start with the small one first. I don't know what I got because this been sitting there for almost like 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Not sure how long. And this one was for 2 weeks. Okay. All right, so let me see what I have here. Oh, okay. I'm going to put it all there. All right, so these little things that I got here, I will show you up there the details of it. But these supposed to be little, I think, ginger cream. I forgot what it was for. But I know it was all different kind of herbs. Okay, and it came in different kind. So I will put it up there in the screen if I don't know what it was for. But I will show you in the screen. Okay, in the screen. And this is a set. You know, they came with a lot. Okay. Now I got, I think this is a pen. Really don't remember. Like I said, this is meant. Oh, these are the lasers. I got two of them, a red one and a green one. Yes. Yeah, these are the lasers that I got. I don't know if I have to open them up or if they need battery. Yeah, I think they do need battery, so for them to work. So these are the lasers that I got. I got two of them. I got a green one and a red one. They're like pen rate lasers. Okay, so it'll show through there, but it needs batteries. So it don't have the batteries. I have to get the batteries. Okay, it'll be up there on the screen. Okay, now I got another natural body cleaning foot pad. These, you put it on your foot. And this is how they look. And these are also herbs, natural herbs. You know, as you can see right here, ginger, essence, oil, You know, so this is supposed to be clean, the natural body cleaning foot pad. So I will show you up there how much I bought it for. You can see the ginger on it. Comes with 16 pieces. Okay. All right. Put it back in here. Okay, time to open up this bag. I have to use these scissors because I left my scissors outside in the backyard with my plants. So it's raining right now. I can't get them. But I don't know what I have here, so okay. Because these were 3 different. Oh, this is the glue. Okay. This is supposed to be a sealer cement. It's good for cement. It's a cement glue. So that's the reason I bought it, because it's good for cement. So it's a sealer, you know, glue for cement. Cement in outside and your driveway, or you know, if you want to glue things together with this cement blocks. Okay. All right. Now it's time to open up my package that I won. I'm so happy it came. And like I said, I will post up here on the right side the game, you know, to show you that what game I won, you know. And these are the 2 things that I picked. I got the 40% off and I got the 30% off. And then I picked these 2 things with the 40% and the 30%. Okay. And they're supposed to be a repair charger, you know, 12 volt intelligent, you know, it's for the car. Guess you could use it for the car. Yeah, you could use it for the car, motorcycle, the boat. And I don't know if these are the lawnmower cars, but you know, it's good for everything. Okay, which is pretty good. And this is what I won. I got this. This is what I picked. This is one of them. Okay, and then I picked this one over here, which this is a telephoto smartphone land kit. Okay, this is like $27, and I think this was like 13 or 14. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna put the price of it up there. Okay, and this is how it is. This is what it comes from, with a little zipper case. I'm gonna open it up. Okay. It's inside a case. And I should open up the other one too, just to let you show you. All right, here we go. Cute. This comes with this little stander. Nice. You know, which is pretty cool. This is what it is. A little stander. Little top. Both of them have a top. Okay, so you can see everything. It's cute. And then you connect it to your phone, as you can see right here how they have it over here. And you could take photos from far away. Okay, so it comes with extra lengths. Oops. Yep, it'll be like me dropping everything. Okay, these are the extra lengths, as you can see. Comes with 2 extra lengths. All right. And then here is, I guess, to hold your phone on. And this is for your, you know, for your phone. I don't know how it works, but I guess you have to somehow put this in here, I guess. I don't know how, but I'll figure it out when I use it. But this is everything it came with. And this is what I won. Okay. It's the photographic, you know. It's a photo, which is, it goes up to 22 times. I'm looking at the box and look, it goes up to 22 times. Okay. I'm so glad that I got this. It took me forever playing that game, almost a whole month and a half before I got this. So you got to continue playing the game. Sometimes it's a month and a half, you know, a whole 1 month and a half, you know, like, or a month, you know, it depends how much you play, you know. Okay, so this is what I won, and it will be up there, you know, what it is, the details of what it is, and not only that, you know, the game. Okay. All right. But this is how it is. Okay. I'm so glad that I finally got it. You know, I was waiting for this. I was waiting to win, and all I need is 2 more points on my other game on the farmland, and I think I'm gonna win that one soon. And the other one too, the fishland, because I've been playing another one. You know, so this one, let me open it up. I didn't open it up to show you how it is. This charger, it's a repair charger, but this is how it is. Okay, just like this. And I got the spark plugs. Okay, comes with the spark plugs, you know, to charge your battery on the motorcycle, on the car, and you know. But it's so cute because this is everything it has, you know, as you can see, you know. And this is what I picked. Okay. All right. Thank you, everybody. I know this video wasn't going to be that long, but thank you. I want to thank everybody for staying along through the whole video and watching. Okay. You know, thank you, everybody, and continue having a beautiful day out there wherever you're at. And this is the end of my video, and God bless everybody. All right. Bye.